This weekly crop review is brought to you by ASR Group, Belize Sugar Industries Limited. For week 4 of the 2016-2017 sugarcane crop season, the factory milled 32,659 tons of cane. Since the beginning of the crop, the factory has milled a total of 152,509 tons of cane. That is 2,698 tons less than what was milled last year when the factory milled 155,207 tons of cane. Taking a look at sugar production, 3,197 tons of the sweetener was produced for week 4 and a total of 14,519 tons since the commencement of crop. That figure surpasses the 13,327 tons produced last year. For the 4th week of crop, the factory worked at a grinding rate of 4,666 tons cane per day and 5,447 tons cane per day for the 4 weeks of crop. Last crop, the grinding rate stood at 5,543 tons cane per day. The report on cane quality shows that for week 4, juice purity first expressed stood at 84.97%, 84.82% for the 4 weeks of crop, and 83.85% last crop. For the 4th week of crop, it took 10.21 tons of cane to produce 1 ton of sugar. Since the beginning of crop, TCTS stands at 10.50. Last year, it stood at 11.65. As for the sugar extracted from the cane, 96.23% was recorded for this week, 96.20% for the 4 weeks of crop, and 94.57% last year during the same period. This week, factory time efficiency stood at 97.77% and 96.13% for the 4 weeks of crop, and 93.01% last crop. According to the report from the factory, an improvement was seen in the tons cane per ton sugar for this week over the previous week, and pulp extraction was better for this week at 96.23 over the previous week of 95.92. This weekly crop review was brought to you by ASR Group, Belize Sugar Industries Limited.